Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a retwist. Here are the things that I'm using for my retwist. Okay, we have castor oil. We have the Ampro Super Hold Protein Gel. And we have our herbal, herbal water that's hot. Hot herbs in this fancy bottle. The link is going to be in my description to get this bottle. It comes in different colors, but it keeps your liquid warm for hours. Okay. Also, how to make my herbal stuff that I make for my hair that's in this bottle. It's in my other videos. It's my aloe vera mixture, my other blend that I have to blend. Let it sit for like a couple days before I can use it. It's with cloves, it's with rosemary. Check that video out. You cannot do this and get the results if you don't go back and watch my video on how to make my herbal stuff. So it's the liquid. I'm gonna just have them linked in the description, okay? So you will know how to prepare this so you can have your hair looking on fleek, okay? Okay, so let's get to retwisting. Okay, so I just have these two left. I already did these already. Each time I redo it, it comes out so freaking better. And the ones that was back here, I went in and fixed that too. I didn't want it to look all wonky. You know what I mean? So yeah. So let's get it done, honey. So this finger right here, oh my god, it hurts. We just got 2 more rows, so video shouldn't take that long. So I'm gonna start from the front. Go ahead and roll this on up. So, and this style does not require a comb. After you have parted your hair, you do not need a comb. I'm gonna undo these mugs. First things first, we're gonna wet her. I gotta turn her on first. Give her a good wetting, honey. And rub. When I get more subscribers, I'm gonna show you guys how to get back here. How to place your hands in a different position so it'll come out looking like somebody else did it. Okay, now go in with your gel. We're gonna massage that mug in. And we're gonna detangle. Trying to unravel from up here. Then work your way down. Unravel, 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 unravel. Okay. But smoothing at the same time. Remember, you got the sebum on your scalp. Get that to the end of your strands. That is the goal. Okay. Go in again. With your warm herbs so it can soak in all that goodness. And once it's detangled and feeling silky, that's when you go in with your castor oil. But massage, massage, massage. Okay. And then we're gonna go in with the castor oil. Be generous. This is how I do it. I just place right here whatever I have on my hands. I get the front and I rub that down too. Rub that mug in. You got massive food, hair food going on. Okay? Massive. Your hair is gonna be like, thank you. Smooth that mug in, honey. Smooth it in. And once it feels like a certain way, you're gonna know a difference. You're definitely gonna know a difference. Remember what we're gonna do? Split it halfway. I can't do it with this finger because this finger is injured, so I gotta use my pinky. No, actually, it's this way. We got it halfway, right? We're gonna twist. Twist, twist, twist. That is all we're doing. It's twisting. So this style is very good for somebody who doesn't know how to unbraid. This can actually keep their hair looking good in healthy condition because you're not doing nothing to it but retwisting it. And every time I retwist my hair, like, there's like no hair coming out. I used to lose a lot of hair. Hair's not coming out no more. And it's getting thicker. When you feel it getting kind of clumpy, untangle it. Why leave something tangled when it can look better? You know what I mean? So all of y'all that always ask me, how do you do your hair like that? Here you go. Now it's up to you. It's up to you if you gonna do it to your hair or try it. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. It's your hair. I am no doctor, but I know what works for me. And I think more likely it will work for you too. If your hair is always dry, if your hair is always breaking, if your hair is weak, if your hair is thin, this will work. Keep your hair in this state at least 6 months. At least. You see how it's doing at the ends? Get your gel. Hold the ends. Rub. Rub. And then let it go. And that's how you do that. Now we gotta go to the second one. The next one over. And that's it. That's how you retwist. Once you got it all once you got it all parted, it's a fair freaking game. Because all you gotta do is just go in and retwist. The biggest hurdle of this hairstyle is parting it. Because you can take all day and every day to retwist. You can take that down If you don't like it, you can take it down and redo it. But with the part and everything, after it's been parted, or before it's parted, oh yeah, you're gonna be there a while unless you have somebody parting it for you. I'm putting a rubber band on it somehow. Second one. Okay. Woo, I don't feel. Okay, so this is how I'm taking down my. I'm untwisting. I'm untwisting. And that's it. I want to see how long this got. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the gel. The gel acts as a detangler and a strengthener because it has a protein. Detangle, detangle, detangle. Okay. And smooth. Smooth, detangle, smooth, detangle. Okay. Put some more. Go to the roots. Go to the roots with the gel too. Okay. Don't be scared, honey. But if you can't take this gel, use whatever gel that has protein in it that you can handle. That you like, that your hair likes, to be honest. But I will say this. If you're allergic to some stuff, not allergic, but do an apple cider vinegar cleanse before you do put any hair stuff on your hair. You probably have an overload of buildup on the hair shaft. Oh, she's untangling really good, honey. That's all the hair. And then we're gonna go in with the castor oil. Get that mug on in there, honey. Put a little bit for the length. Okay. I'll mix that up on in there, honey. You know, I've been kind of thinning. So, ever since I'm serious, since I've been doing this technique, my hair has gotten thick, thick, thick. Honey, you gotta try. You got to try. Gosh, freaking long. Okay, and now we're gonna twist. Make sure you get into the middle and then twist, 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 twist. Okay. Twist. But when you're twisting, twist kind of that way. And when you're twisting, make it tight. Don't do a little, what is that called? Don't make it loose. Do not make this mug loose. And you know how thick castor oil is, right? Okay. Well, you're going to be amazed on how that mug will disappear. Like you never put nothing on your hair. Watch. Your hair is going to get used to that. And it's going to drink that thing up. We're going to keep twisting until you get to the bottom. Then after this twist, I'm going to pause it until I get to the end. And then I'll push play. Whoop, doot, doot.